بیما ئاسوودەم خوێندن پیشەما هەردام خوددا بیما ئاسوودەم خوێندن پیشەما هەردام لەکوێ بەردا دەخوێنم ئاواتم بەدی دێنم لەکوێ بەردا دەخوێنم ئاواتم بەدی دێنم ئێمە جوست و چالاکین پێشەنگین و بێباکین ئێمە جوست و چالاکین پێشەنگین و بێباکین چرادا دەگرسێنین نەدانین لە بندێنین چرادا دەگرسێنین نەدانین لە بندێنین کتابخانە ماڵمانە خێزانی دووەممانە کتابخانە ماڵمانە خێزانی دووەممانە.
Hello my students again. Okay, now we will go into the unit 15. Unit 15, okay? Unit 15 is about possessive adjective. What's the possessive adjective? Possessive, it means that something belongs to you, something belongs to us, okay? We have pronoun subject, okay? We have pronoun subject or subject pronoun. Subject pronoun. Okay? And we have possessive adjective. Possessive adjective. We talked about pronoun, pronoun subject. What is it pronoun? Pronoun, it means I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Okay? I, you, we, they, he, she. Okay? This one. I, it means what? In subject pronoun. It will be what for possessive adjective? It means my. I, it will be my. Okay? I, it will be what? My. You, it will be your. You, it will be your. In possessive adjective, it will be your. Okay? We, it will be our. You, it will be our. Okay? They, it will be what? Their. Their. Okay? Their. He, it will be his. Okay? And she, it will be her. You should memorize all of them, okay? This is subject pronoun. I, you, we, they, he, she. And this is possessive adjective. My, your, our, their, his, her. For example, I have a marker. I have a marker, okay? In possessive adjective, it will be what? This marker, my marker or my marker is black. My marker is blue, okay? I, it will be my. You, it will be your. We, it will be our. They, it will be their. Their book is big. He, it will be his. His car is nice. She, it will be her, okay? Her shoes is yellow, okay? In this unit, also we have this, that, these, those. those. Okay? In this unit, we have this, that, these, those. Okay. This and that, it is for singular. Singular. And these and that, those, it's for plural. Okay? Singular, it means one person or one thing. Plural, it means two person, more than one person. Two person, three person, or two things, three things. Okay? It means plural. This, it's for what? This, for near. This. This is a, for example, flower. This is a flower. This symptom, it means that it is near from us. For example, I draw a flower. It's like a flower, okay? It's like a flower. Okay, this is a flower. This is a flower. This, it means something near from us. This is a marker. This is a marker, okay? But that, it means what? It means that something far away from us. That is a flower. That is, this symptom, it means that something far away from us. Okay? That, this symptom, it means that something far away from us. But this one, it means that something near from us. That is a desk. That is a door. That is a window, okay? This is my laptop. This is table. This is chair, okay? And these, those. We have these and those. These, it means that plural, two flowers. For example, we have two flowers, okay? These, we should say what? Is or are? Of course, we should say are. These are flowers. These are flowers, okay? We have two flowers. Let me draw it. Okay, these are flowers. It means that it is near from us. These flowers are near from us. Okay, but now those are flowers. Okay, this symptom, it means that it is far away from us. We have two also flowers or three flowers. That's all we have. Just be attention. This and that, it's for singular. We have one person or we have one thing. These and those, it's for plural. Okay, it means that's more than one person or more than one thing. This, it means that something near from us. This is a flower. That, it means that something far away from us. These, it means that two things, something near from us. But those, it means that something far away from us. That's all I have in Unit 15. It's talk about subject pronoun and possessive pronoun and these, that, these, those. Unit 15, it's about the families, our families. We have mother, we have father, sister, brother, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, uncle. Okay? This again. Mother, father, sister, brother, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, uncle. Okay? Go to another page. This one. Okay? We have 4 pictures. Number 1, what is it? She said that this is our house. This is our house because near from us, and this is, we use this because near from the house. Okay? This is our house. These are my pictures. These are my pictures. We have more than one picture. We should say are and we should say these for plural and near from us. Okay? These are my pictures. Where are your yo-yos, Sirwa? Where are your yo-yos, Sirwa? They are in this room. They are in this room. Okay? We have this. Okay? Okay, let's go to this one. Okay, this is a sound. We have mother, mother. We have father, father. Doctor, listen. Sofa, kitten. Okay, mother, father, doctor, listen. Sofa, kitten. Okay, my watch is new. My watch is new. This is the possessive adjective. If we make it to subject pronoun, it will be what? I have a watch. I have a watch. We said that with I, we, you, they. We use what? We use have. I have, we have, you have, they have. Okay? I, we, you, they, we use have. With he, she, it, we use has. She has, he has, it has. Okay? My watch is new. It means I have a watch. Your caps aren't new. Your caps aren't new. It means you have a cap. You have a cap. You have. Okay? 3. Our car isn't big. Our car isn't big. It means that we have car. We have a car. Okay? Your school isn't old. Your school isn't old. It means you have a school. Okay? This is possessive pronoun, possessive adjective. Okay? And this is my family. Leave it and go to Unit 16. Also, Unit 16 is about possessive adjective also. Okay? We have watch. Okay? We have watch, bag, bicycle, CD player, magazine, mobile phone. Okay? It's really easy. For example, I have a watch. I have a bag. I have a bicycle. I have a CD. You have magazine. She has mobile phone. Okay? She has a watch. We use has for he, she, it. We use have for I, we, you, they. Remember, keep it in your mind, okay? Okay, let's go to this one. He's looking at we said that he is looking at a watch. He is listening to a CD. Okay. He is looking at what? He is looking. We have he here, subject. Okay. Is verb to be. Looking, verb ing. At a watch. Complement. He is looking at a watch. He isn't listening to a CD. He isn't. It's a positive sentence and it's a negative sentence because we have not between verb to be and verb ing. He isn't listening to a CD. He isn't riding a bicycle. He isn't riding a horse, for example. Why? Okay. She's looking in a what? She's looking in a bag. We have bag. Okay. She is looking in a bag. She, it's a subject. Is, it's a verb to be. Looking, verb ing. In a bag, it's a complement. Also, it's a positive sentence because we don't have not and we don't have question mark. She isn't reading a what? Magazine. She isn't reading a book. She isn't reading a magazine. Okay? She isn't reading a magazine. It's a negative question also because we have not between verb to be and verb ing. She isn't talking on a mobile phone. She isn't talking on a mobile phone. Okay? She isn't. Also, we have not between verb to be and verb ing. It means that this sentence is a negative sentence. Okay? Okay. Unit 16, lesson 2. Also, we said that it's about possessive adjective. Okay? Her watch is small. Her watch, because we have she, it means that she, it will be what? It will be her for possessive adjective. She, it's a subject pronoun, and her, it's a possessive adjective. Okay? Her watch is small. Her watch is small. If we make it to a subject pronoun, it will be what? She has a watch. She has a watch. But in possessive adjective, it will be what? Her watch is small. Her watch is small. His watch is big. We have a boy here. Because we have a boy, his, it means he. He has a watch. It means that his watch is big. His watch is big. Okay? Their bicycle is very big. Their bicycle is very big. Okay? Because we have two persons, we should say their. It means they have a bicycle. They have a bicycle. It means that in possessive adjective, we should say their bicycle is very big. Okay? That is all we have. And okay, we will go to the sound. Okay? We have a sound, bag, magazine, bag, magazine, kebab, kebab, sandwich, sandwich, cat, van. Okay? Bag, bag, magazine, magazine, kebab, kebab, sandwich, sandwich, cat, cat, van. Okay? Van. Okay. Okay, in this picture, we have two persons, the girl and the boy, and we have cat. They have bicycle, they have bag, and he has bag. She has mobile phone, she has watch, okay? He has cap, okay? Okay, this one we have what? Her, his, their. Her watch is yellow, or his watch is yellow, or their watch is yellow. Because we don't have watch, it means that it will be her, okay? Her watch is yellow. Her, because she has a watch. Her watch is yellow, okay? Number two, we have his, her, their. His bag is brown, her bag is brown, or their bag is brown. Who has a bag? Of course, he has a bag. It means that his bag is brown. His bicycle is gray. His bicycle is gray, or her bicycle is gray, or their bicycle is gray. Of course, he has a bicycle. It means that his bicycle is gray. Okay? Okay, that's all we have. We said that. Thank you for looking. Goodbye.